Tough Mudder. Too extreme? Three news articles provide different perspectives on one of the toughest endurance competitions on the planet. Exercise in survival. It's a cold day in November. A horde of icy, mud-caked individuals are finishing up the last obstacle of the course. It is a series of live electrical wires. Just the kind of thing you want to run through after hours of trudging through freezing water and mud thicker than molasses. Among those at the finish line are Saudi Tejada and Paola Ronquillo Floyd. They wear teeth-chattering smiles barely visible through their darkened faces, and a look that says, "Did I just do that?" That something is more than a race. It is an exercise in survival. Welcome to Tough Mudder. Tough Mudder is a hardcore 10 to 12 mile obstacle course designed to test your all-around strength, stamina, mental grit, and camaraderie. Competitors traipse through more than 20 obstacles like the Turd's Nest, a cargo net suspended 15 feet above barbed wire, rivers, or whatever else. This obstacle tests your upper body strength and core fitness. The Firewalker, another obstacle on the course, challenges your feet and courage as you literally run through a field of fire. Then there's Twinkle Toes, a walk across a balance beam over a pit of frigid water. I prepared for this event through triathlon training, biking, swimming, and running, but this was an intense mental challenge, said Saudi Tejada, an accomplished triathlete. It made me push my body to a threshold I never knew was possible. Triathlons are individual efforts, Tejada explains. Tough Mudder is different because you need the collective effort of your teammates and random competitors to get through the obstacles. It helps you to work together, and you gain strength from the camaraderie. Ronquillo Floyd agreed. Given how afraid I was of certain obstacles, I felt very accomplished after having completed the race.